In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily combine columns in Google Sheets. Combining columns in Google Sheets can be incredibly handy, especially when you're looking to create a full name by merging first and last names, or when you want to join different sets of data into a single view. Let's dive into the simple steps to get this done. To begin, you'll want to open your Google Sheets. If you don't have Google Sheets open yet, start by navigating to your Google Drive and locating the spreadsheet that you'd like to work with. If you don't have one prepared, you can always create a new one. Once your sheet is all set and open, you'll see all your columns and rows ready for some action. Next, go ahead and select a cell where you want the combined data to appear. You can do this by simply clicking on the cell. For this exercise, let's use cell C2 as our destination cell. This position will help keep your data organized and ensure you're not overwriting any information you might want to keep. Now, we're going to get to the heart of the process, using a formula to combine your columns. In cell C2, you'll type the following formula, equals array formula, open parentheses, A2:A, ampersand, open quotation marks, space, close quotation marks, ampersand, B2:B, close parentheses. What this formula does is merge the contents of columns A and B for each row, separating them with a space. This is especially useful for instances where you're dealing with columns that have first and last names that need to be combined into a full name. As you press Enter, Google Sheets will magically fill in the rest of the column with the combined data from columns A and B thanks to the array formula. This function allows the formula to apply to an entire range of cells, saving you from the tedious task of entering the formula for each row individually. Isn't that neat? With this simple method, you've successfully combined your columns. If you want to keep your data nice and clean, consider checking your merged column to ensure there are no extra spaces or unexpected combinations, especially if your original data has blank cells, which may introduce unwanted spaces. You might want to explore further formatting, like adjusting the column width to make your entries more readable or applying bold text to headers for a clear distinction between categories. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to combine columns in Google Sheets using a simple formula. Whether you're handling small lists or large datasets, this approach will help streamline your data organization. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to apply this in your own projects to make your workflow smoother. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.